Let me show you how to create the most explosively flavorful chili beef noodles. Start by heating oil until it simmers. That is when you know it is ready. Add finely chopped onions, ginger, garlic, and fresh chilies. Cook them low and slow for 3 full minutes. This gentle frying unlocks their essential oil and builds a flavor foundation that cannot be rushed. Now add 1 teaspoon of fermented bean paste. Watch as it transforms into hot oil, releasing that signature crimson color and intense savory aroma. This is where the magic really begins. Follow with 1 spoon of oyster sauce for depth, half spoon of dark soy sauce for color, and 1 spoon of light soy sauce for saltiness. This is not for the faint of heart. Add pre-cooked beef, whether it is leftover braised beef or quickly seared slices. Let it soak up all those incredible flavors for just a minute until every piece is coated in that glossy, spicy sauce. This is for those who truly appreciate bold, spice-forward cooking. Toss in your cooked noodles and mix thoroughly. The sauce clings to every strand, creating this beautiful uniform coating that promises flavor in every single bite. The color alone tells you this is going to be an experience. What you get is pure fire in bowl form, the slow building heat from the chilies, the deep umami from the fermented beans, the richness of the beef, and the way the noodles carry all these flavors perfectly. This is not just food, it is an adventure for your taste buds.